Hey, welcome to Put 'em Up Fishing. We out here, family, me, Tamar, Naira, my cousin Noah. Like, comment, subscribe, and let's go.
Well, we're just chilling for right now.
And guys, bass fishing on the river is kind of hard.
When the river has bass in it.
I don't think that's the fish. I'm probably stuck on something.
Want me to send you this?
Yeah.
Put 'em up, put 'em up.
And by the summertime, we'll have so many more videos back out.
Yeah, it's been pretty cold out here in Virginia, so.
Yeah, fishing isn't the best. Winter fishing in
But
Virginia isn't the best.
We're gonna start getting more videos out because right now
And we didn't get no
we
snow,
just
so
found
no
this
ice.
spot right behind our house too.
What bait you using, Tay?
It's called lure.
Oh, what?
Called lure.
Mm-mm.
Little cheap Walmart.
Caught anything yet with it? Not just here, but anytime else?
Oh,
Got another pond.
You ain't gonna fish down there?
I can't, man. I'm gonna have to reline
But
that
it's
whole
a fish
thing.
down there. It just jumped.
Oh yeah, in a few months when we start posting back fishing videos, we're gonna be showing you guys the water
We do
that
got fishing
under
videos
the
that we
water
still
of
gotta
every
edit
place
to.
we fish at, and that's on False Name Grave.
So I can feel that's just the current right there.
They're crazy.
No, you ain't gonna get a cast in or show them your reel or nothing.
Yeah, I guess I could show y'all my tackle box.
Yeah, the new member to the squad.
Alright, here's my tackle box.
We're doing a lot of videos.
Well, you know, I got a little something in here. Got some spinners, you know, I got some weights, got some lures. Got the bobbers, got some worms, and Tamar. Oh gosh, you got a lot of stuff. What about you tonight? Where's yours?
Well, you see, I just left mine at the house because
Oh, okay. Tamar got a little bit of everything in here, I guess. You got baits, lures. Oh, look at this one. Yeah, I guess that's it, y'all. We're gonna take a look at our reels. Here's Nirons. You know, a little open cast. And here's mine, same, but a different color. Sorry, y'all, I had to sneeze. Alright, back to Tay. Got any bites yet, Tay?
It's funny because every time we do a video, everything always jumping before the video. Every fish biting. As soon as you turn the camera on, don't none work.
Today is what, Sunday?
yeah, Tamar.
Gonna head back in a minute, y'all. It's about to go ahead and get dark.
It's kinda dark out here. We ain't got no adults in with us.
Y'all like how this camera looks? Y'all comment. You know, like and subscribe if you like the video. Get us to 100 subs. Get us to 50 at least for
Trying to
now.
Get at least 100 by the end of 2020,
Think we can do it?
or at least like at least probably 10, 20,000 views.
3.
Also, if y'all want to, go watch the other videos.
Watch the intro, you know. Pretty neat, huh? Go watch our aquarium visit. I'm not in that video, but I think I'm in 1 or 2. Once this one hits, trust me,
After
I'll
this
be
week,
famous.
probably about next week,
Mm-hmm.
we should get the stuff to get all our cameras ready and everything.
So yeah, then we won't have to record on my phone. We'll be using a GoPro and everything.
I feel like you should have held the phone sideways, but it's good. Nah, don't switch it now.